Hello, hello! A very warm welcome back to the channel, everyone. I am Alex.
And I am Bella. We are so happy to see you again here on Ready Talk English.
This is the place where we have easy, friendly conversations to help you practice your English. We are two teachers, but more importantly, we are best friends who love to chat about our student days.
That's right. Our goal is to help you listen to natural English that is easy to understand. We want you to feel like you are sitting right here with us, maybe sitting on a bench on a sunny campus.
If you find our conversations helpful, please take a moment to click the subscribe button below. It really helps our channel grow.
And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Are you ready for today's topic, Alex?
I am. Today, we are going back in time to talk about our education. Today, we are talking about your university. So, Bella, let's start at the beginning. Where did you go to university?
I went to a university in the south of England. It was a very old school with beautiful stone buildings and lots of green grass. We call the university grounds the campus.
I love old campuses. My university was in the middle of a big city. It was very modern, with lots of glass and tall buildings.
What was your major, Alex? Major is an important word for our students. It means the main subject you study.
My major was English literature. I spent 4 years reading books and writing essays. What about you?
My major was education. I always knew I wanted to be a teacher.
We also use the word undergraduate to describe a student studying for their first degree. I was an undergraduate student from 2012 to 2016.
Do you remember your first lecture?
Oh, I do. A lecture is a large class where the professor speaks and the students listen and take notes. My first lecture was in a huge hall with 200 other students.
Wow, 200 people. I preferred the seminars. A seminar is a smaller class where students talk and discuss ideas together.
Seminars are great for practicing English. In university, we also have to go to the library a lot to do research.
I spent so much time in the library. I had a favorite desk in the corner. I would stay there for hours with my laptop and a pile of books.
Did you have to take many exams?
Yes, and I was always so nervous. I would study all night. We call that cramming.
I remember cramming for my history exam. I drank 5 cups of coffee and didn't sleep at all. It was not a good idea. Where did you live during your university years, Bella?
In my first year, I lived in the dormitories, or dorms. It's a building on campus where students live together.
I lived in a dorm too. I had a roommate named Sam. He was very nice, but he was very messy. His clothes were everywhere.
That is the problem with roommates. I had my own room, but I shared a kitchen with 5 other girls. We learned how to cook very basic meals like pasta and noodles.
We call those student meals because they are cheap and easy to make.
In my second year, I moved into a shared house off campus. We had to pay rent and buy our own groceries. It was a big step into adult life.
University isn't just about studying, right?
Exactly. There are so many clubs and societies. I joined the drama club and the photography club.
I joined the football team. We practiced every Tuesday and had matches on Saturdays. It was a great way to make friends.
We also had a student union. That is a place where students go to relax, listen to music, or get help with their problems.
And don't forget the graduation ceremony. That is the big party at the end where you get your diploma.
I felt so proud wearing my black gown and the square cap. My parents were crying.
It is a very special day. It marks the end of one chapter and the beginning of a new one.
Alex, let's help our beginners with some common university words.
Good idea. We already mentioned major, campus, and lecture. What about tuition?
Tuition is the money you pay to the university for your classes. Some students get a scholarship, which means the university pays for them because they are very smart or good at sports.
We also use the word term or semester to describe the parts of the school year. The fall semester starts in September.
And when you finish your work, you submit an assignment. I need to submit my essay by Friday.
If you do very well, you get an A. If you do poorly, you might fail the class. But don't worry, our students are all A students. Bella, do you remember when you tried to join the advanced math club in university?
Oh no. I wanted to impress a boy I liked. I went to one meeting and I didn't understand a single word.
I saw you coming out of that room. You looked so confused.
I realized very quickly that I am a language person, not a number person. I stayed with English after that.
That was a smart choice. And do you remember when I lost my ID card and couldn't get into the library for a week?
Yes, you had to wait outside like a puppy until someone opened the door for you.
It was so embarrassing, but those are the memories that make university life fun.
What about our students? If they want to talk about their education, what should they say?
Start with, I graduated from university name in year.
Then you can say, my major was, or I studied.
If you're still at university, you can say, I am in my second year of university.
Use the past simple to talk about your favorite classes or your friends. I loved my art classes, or I had many friends from different countries.
Well, Bella, talking about university has made me feel very old.
Me too. But I'm happy we're teachers now and not students taking exams.
Definitely. We hope you enjoyed our conversation today. We hope it helped you learn some new words to describe your education.
What about you? Did you go to university? What was your major?
Please tell us in the comments. We love reading your stories. It's a fantastic way for you to practice your English.
If you found this video helpful, please give us a like. It really helps Ready Talk English reach more students.
And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Are you ready for today's topic, Alex? And we have a joke. Why was the math book so sad after university?
I don't know. Why was it so sad?
Because it had too many problems.
Very good. Our viewers will love that joke.
Thank you for practicing with us today. You are doing a wonderful job.
We'll see you in the next video with another fun topic.
Until then, keep learning and stay curious. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.